I have a lot of questions from the followers, especially they want to get involved in motorsport. And you're part of Maserati and the heritage of the team. Found out that this is the 99th year for Maserati in racing, and you are one of the youngest team principals in the world. That's a great achievement. So how can our followers follow your footsteps? How can they get involved in development and getting involved in the whole motorsport or the industry, of course?
Yeah, that's a great question. And I think first you have to have a passion, for motorsports. And I think if you're hardworking and you're dedicated, there's absolutely nothing that stops you being involved. If you see in the team and around the paddock, people come from different nationality, different background, but we all have a common, passion about motorsport. And if you're motivated and dedicated, and this is what you want to do, then actually you have to just to go for it. And if the door is closed, then you have to force it open. And then you have to make things happen. And don't think that you need special skills or you need to have special diploma. It's all about how much passion you've got and how much ambition you have, because you have to be ambitious
to move forward.
To move forward and then create your own opportunity.
Absolutely, absolutely. Back in the day, it was more mechanical. You have a mechanical degree, engineering.
Absolutely.
But now with Formula E, I see a lot of opportunities for different fields to be involved. So any advice for the people to get different things than mechanical engineer or things to get them?
Absolutely. Now that you got a lot of electronics and a lot of electrics involved, you can come from all a different background. And now those cars, as it is in modern car, there's a lot of software and there's a lot of electronics. So you can be involved. You don't have to have a pure mechanical background. You can have a electrical background, you can have a software background, you can have a lot of different background because there's a lot of technology combines together. And you can come from so many different angles, strategist, roles that you didn't have a few years or decade ago. You can be a strategist, you can be a software, you can be a coder, you can be a pure race engineer, you can be a performance engineer, you can be a mechanic, you can be involved at so many different levels.
You can be coming from basically anywhere.
Yeah, absolutely. it's very difficult to know, what's your field of expertise that we like to do. And the same, when you start the journey, I didn't start as a team principal. I started as a race engineer. That's my background. I was an engineer, from background. And then I grew, through the years, and then had different roles. And then you learn, and also you want to change. Sometimes you've done something for a few years, and then you want to try something else, something new, and try also to improve yourself and have different set of skills, and it give you a better vision and a better understanding of the motorsport as a whole.
Thank you very much for your time and your insight,
my pleasure.
And for our followers.